let's do a straight leg raise on this. And hold. Straight leg raise. Hold. Yeah, definitely. Let's line your back. Let me check the other side. So this will be more of a psoas test what we do.
Okay.
So go ahead and bend this, and then you bring it up. And we're going to go at 90 degrees. So right here.
Okay.
And just drop your head so you relax. And don't let me push down. Okay, hold. Good. Try this one.
So the main area is
and hold.
right here.
Feel a difference there?
Feels weaker.
Yeah, weaker on this side. Okay, let's go face down. Yeah, that's what feeds right in that psoas that we're talking about.
Okay.
So weaker, it can have an easier chance
so when I'm
of
pushing on that, I feel your muscles getting so I have a bit of a stress in my as well.
okay, so we're gonna do it here.
Right there, face me. We're gonna do it muscles are so fast. Push the feet down the line. It's a little weak, right? Try the other side.
And we're going to have you line your side facing me.
Okay. Can't remember. Like this?
Yeah, you got it. Excellent. Good. And lie your back. Excellent. Okay, let's go face down.
Okay.
And let's do a straight leg raise. And hold. Straight leg raise. Hold. Much better.
Oh, much stronger.
Stronger, yeah. Lie on your back. And bring us up a little higher. Don't let me pull down. Hold. And try this one. And a little higher. And hold. Ah, much better.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. This power's on, literally.
Okay.
So walk around a little bit. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.